Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over this 4K GPS drone that is made by Holy Stone. This drone has features that make it great for not only a beginner that's learning how to fly one of these drones, but also plenty of features that make it great for people that are more advanced. So I'm going to go over what all is included and then show you the controller and how the controls work, and then we're going to test this thing out. So you have this awesome case here for storage. Then you have one charger for each battery. And then your controller that folds up to fit nicely in the case, and your spare battery, and then you have your drone that you can see also folds up to save space. And then this is where your other battery goes. Now we need to get everything folded out of the controller. Then this top part here is to hold your phone. And the left stick moves the drone up and down and then rotates the drone left to right. The right stick moves the drone forward and backward and then left to right. And then on top you have your camera and video camera buttons on one side. And then the other side is to move the actual view of the camera. And then once we follow the calibration instructions, we're ready to fly this thing. Then you have a camera and video camera on this drone. It says 4K. It doesn't quite look 4K, but it's definitely good quality for a drone. This drone has a strong connection, so you can fly it up to 1,640 feet away from you. And then because it has two batteries, you can get up to 46 minutes of fly time before you have to recharge it. It does have an auto return feature, so that way it goes back to where it originally started. And then you could also set it to fly along a set path. And then when you're done, you just bring it down slowly for landing. And that's my review of this GPS drone by Holy Stone. I hope it answered any questions that you may have had. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.